So, well, can't really see, probably should take the
Take it off.
yeah. So I was actually midday now, and then where's my microphone? That's it. So I actually needed to refill those, and then I thought, you know what? So run out of ink. I need to. So I would recommend you to bin those. So if I was you, yeah. So in a sense, get gloves and then bin those, take new ones on, because what happens is, like, till now we've been blasting, well, all that. So let's see if we could still. Oh, fucking hell, looks pretty dope actually. So we so big I need to like walk around here. We did from that part onwards was lined from last time, like this side. Then I did extend that, so loads of black, loads of shading, loads of black, and then managed to get to a middle, which is, come on, that's it there, which is there. And what happens is, see, like, even now you can see the shine comes from body making a little juice, but when you use it to, you pick up that juice, and you do insert into ink cups every time you do pick up the ink, which means at some point there's almost like way too much juice and less ink. So when you refill, because the juices are lighter, they will go sit above the ink, which means the ink will be on the bottom and the juices will be on the top of it, which means I would just recommend just bin it, just throw in a bin and get a set of new ones. Yeah, so I got gloves on, I'm gonna bin those. That is pure black, 70, 50, 30, water, and that's about it. So use 15 mag for shading. That's 9 line, I think it is, 3, and then 9 mag. Yeah. And then that's the project we're working on now. Yeah, there you can see. And then we are about halfway from like there onwards is what we need to do now on these sides. It was full A3 last time, no? I think it was full A3 and a little bit more. So you can see what needs to be done. And then you'll see end of the day, I'll make another video to see how far we are. Yeah, little midday video. Right, this is as far as we are now. Today I did all the darks, the blacks, as much as that. The snake is new, a fresh snake. And then Stedman was a killer. I did actually shade a few bits, as you can see, a few areas here and there, just kind of like overall shadiness, but not really fully shaded. It gives more readability, more understanding. I did all the as much black as I could. Last time actually I didn't make any videos, any filming. I was lining this part and then Lucy was lining that part at the same time. So he experienced double trouble. How was it actually?
It was okay. It was doable, but at the same time still hurt. But
Do you feel more or just different?
do I feel more what?
The pain when two people just would, or just like,
If you went over a sensitive area here, it took the pain away from there. And likewise.
Bounce around,
If
yeah.
that makes sense, yeah.
So was it worse or no?
It was
More painful?
I would say it's probably better having two people do it.
Really?
Yeah, because like I said, if you're going over a really sensitive area here, and she's up here doing something else, you sort of forget that area.
It's kind of like carrying two carrier bags now. One pulls fucking sideways, and when you have two, it's balanced out.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Because you have literally the info that a lot of people want to see or want to hear. Because many people don't have that experience.
Yeah.
Me included, I've not had.
I've got video evidence.
Show it to friends and that, though.
Yeah, I did.
You probably wonder what I used. So I did use that endless black for the blacks. There, the whole day. And then shading wise, used allegory. And then 4, 3, 2. I didn't pick one, which is the lightest. I left the skin to be the lightest. Maybe in the future I'll do some, but we'll see. And then next time we're just cleaning up all the small details, the whites, the backgrounds, just all the little stuff. Because you can see we got tons of little stuff. Loads of little scales, loads of little bumps, and the actual details inside the mouth. Just loads to do. Now it's kind of like a mixture of half finished, half now. I could actually steal your arm. Show the work I did years and years ago.
Yeah.
What's the newest one?
Newest was... No, that was the first one. Then you did that. I think it's that one.
Maybe. That girl. And then he said he's going to laser that. He never did.
Yeah, I just leave it now.
Or maybe the elbow, the other side. No, the
Oh
outside.
yes, it was. Yeah, it was the eye.
Yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, we did that a year ago? 2 years ago?
About
Year and a half?
Yeah, 2 years ago.
Yeah, blasted on his elbow. Some smokes. So it all starts from his fingers, and the fingers had smokes, and the smokes go, and then they curve around, and then I made it bigger and bigger. You actually still have loads of gaps. I could potentially link those smokes into the ones you have on the chest.
Big gap here. I'm thinking a roll of money or something. Something like that.
Potentially, yeah.
Yeah.
And then those smokes goes into those smokes, and then if we do end up doing loads of whites in that, that would synchronize.
Don't show that because that's not yours. That's nothing to do with you.
How was that?
But you did from there down, there up and across. That's one I had done when I was about 25, 26. It's not bad. It's not good either.
Well, if you ever want, we can clean that up.
Yeah.
You get like the base. I could easily crisp them up, bring them out.
Yeah.
Add like this darkness in there.
Just make these a little bit more sharper.
Yeah.
Doable.
But yeah, guys, you're gonna see part 2, I guess, in about months-ish. Yeah. And then he goes on holiday to burn his skin more.